Dr. August Dunning. I do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting. And I thought I'd answer a question from one of my viewers. What do you do about viral infections? And viruses are tricky. They've lasted for billions of years. And the problem is, when you first get a viral infection, you don't even know it for 2 or 3 days. It's asymptomatic. So as soon as you feel like you've caught a virus, one of the things you can do is take a bunch of garlic. That usually helps. Or some ivermectin if you wanted to go that route. But as a Hippocratic doctor, we took an oath to 3 of the goddesses and gods: Asclepius, Panacea, and Hygiene. Asclepius was the god that figured out that we probably could live forever. And in my next book, I'll show you how we might be able to. Panacea was the god that said that it's mind over matter. You believe you can heal, you will force your body to heal itself. The Panacea effect. The one today is hygiene. Cleanliness is next to godliness. And in this respect, it really is. Because when you come down with an illness, the first thing you must do, as hard as it is, as difficult as it can seem, is to clean your bedding, clean your pillowcases, clean your sheets, clean your towels, wash them every day, to prevent reinoculation. And here's the thing. Viruses have about a 3-day cycle. They get in there, they get inside the cell, they replicate, they get out of the cell, and then can keep going. And they shed. So if you're able to get rid of the shedding off of that are on your clothing, your bedding, your pillowcases, your towels, you reduce the amount of reinoculation. And the reason this is important is because it takes the spleen about 8 days to deal with an infection to produce the antibodies. Why do virus infections last for weeks? Because you're reinoculating yourself with all these 3-day, 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 you got 3 or 4 inoculations going, and it overwhelms the spleen's ability to make enough antibodies. And that's kind of the problem. Dry fasting is important to get rid of the components as they're killed off and that kind of stuff. But the problem with dry fasting is the ability of the virus to co-opt the autophagic systems. I talk about it in my book, The Phoenix Protocol. And that's where it gets a little difficult. So when you're in a full-blown virus, dry fasting isn't going to fix that. You have to kind of suffer through it. Or you can do ivermectin and things like that, which certainly improve the experience to some degree. What we really want to do is deal with this stuff before it happens. You know, eat the vitamin D. Get out in the sun like this and produce your own vitamin D. Improve your diet. Improve your cleanliness. You know, it's really a matter of how you behave and how you treat yourself that will determine whether or not you're going to be infected or not. And so that's kind of the trick. Viruses are tricky. They really are. They're really designed to live. That's why they're still here after billions of years. But that's kind of the other thing. You can also improve your immune system function. One of the things we came up with is the stem cell regen, which produces a huge burst of immune cells. T-reg cells, killer cells, all that kind of stuff. So they can also help you from the inside. The link is below, by the way. So really, that's kind of the problem with virus. Dry fasting gets rid of a lot of the components, gets rid of all the stuff that's still in you from the past injections you've had and all that kind of good stuff. But during a full-blown viral attack, you're at a disadvantage. You could probably take the stem cell regen, which would improve the immune system's ability to clean things up, and that helps. But that's kind of the message today. Hygiene. panacea, hygiene, Asclepius, all the gods we Hippocratic doctors give an oath to. And that's the message today. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Anyway, I love you guys. You'll notice there's no commercials. I need you to hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, break the algorithm so I can get more views to help more people out with the things I'm talking about. And I am going to enjoy this day. I know it's really, really cold in the rest of the country right now. And God bless you, and I hope you stay safe. And wash your clothing, wash your bedding, wash your towels. Because things you contact out in the real world, you're going to bring home. And you want to clean them up there too, so you don't inoculate yourself with things you've been exposed to while you're out. Anyway, I love you guys. Hope this helps a little bit. And I will see you later.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.